SwiftKey is AI now, and with better AI predictions and features, this is how to use SwiftKey keyboard. So, let's begin. Alright, when we open it the first time, we need to go through the setup. On some Galaxy devices, it comes pre-installed, so in that case, you won't have the app icon. This is the app. It has a row on the top to do quick edits. We have GIFs, stickers, Clipboard, translate, voice to text, and this icon to access settings and stuff. You can resize the app as well. The first AI feature is editor, which helps with your text. So type something, then tap the three dots and then editor. You might need to agree on the terms of service first. Then this editor will find any mistakes that you have made. You can then replace the text or copy the improved version. This tone gives you some tones to pick, and it suggests how this text would present in that tone. You can then copy it or replace the text. Let's customize it a little bit. If you have autocorrect enabled, enable this as well. With this, you will be able to get the same typed word back on the backspace key. This is an advanced feature which will let you insert the middle prediction with the spacebar. You will need a lot of practice, but it will make your typing way faster if you type in English. Also, under layout, I like to have the number row enabled. Then enable this emoji suggestion in Emoji to see emojis as you type. Our basic customization is done. We can tap themes to browse the store. Pick and download themes to make it your own. However, for some themes you will need to sign up for a Microsoft account. Then it will download and activate it. Looks good. Your previously downloaded themes are here. We can activate any of them to use them. You can also customize your own theme with a background image. I'm going to choose this image. This is the brightness. Also, we can scale this image and move it in every direction to show what we really want to show. Then done. Lastly, tap save to save it. You can create multiple of those and switch between them regularly. The flow typing is enabled by default. If you don't want it, disable it from the typing section. The way it works is you start to swipe from the first letter of the word and then swipe to the second and then to the third. This way, keep going to cover all the letters to make the word. With practice, it makes it super fast to type. SwiftKey automatically learns and predicts your words as you type. You may clear this data by going to typing and then clear typing data. It also has a shortcuts feature where you type a shortcut and then put in the full word or even sentence. Go to rich input and then Clipboard. Enable it if you haven't already. Here tap add a new clip. Now type the content you want to appear and then set a shortcut key for it. It can be any single word. Now whenever you type this key, you will see the full phrase. This makes it easier to type my number, account details, address, credit card and more. This is the emoji button, and over here we can search for the emojis we need. The emoji screen I think needs some improvements as it's just a basic screen. You can switch to GIFs and stickers and search for them and download them to use in the keyboard. However, this AI designer creates images for you to quickly share. You can just type what you want to build and here we go. We can then share this image. Now to voice input. Even though SwiftKey has a voice input, it uses Google services like other keyboards do. However, it has something more interesting. The Clipboard, which along with saving the recent copied text and screenshots, supports Windows Sync. For Clipboard to work, ensure this is checked. For screenshots, this needs to be checked. Now whatever you copy will be on the bar. Tap this icon to see your recent copied text and images. To enable Windows Sync, check this. Then on Windows, go to Settings, System and Clipboard. Enable this icon to see your phone copied text on Windows. Next are languages. It has over 700 languages and we can enable multiple and type in them at the given time. You can type in English and it will suggest the converted text when available. You can also switch between them quickly by swiping on the spacebar. SwiftKey is more than a keyboard, and this video covered its essential features. Thanks for watching. Take care.